Do you know the word transformation is coming from the Greek word metamorphia, or in English, metamorphosis. It means that transformation takes time. Ganon din sa buhay Christian. Transformation takes time. Kaya maraming tao na nawawala sa church because we expect them, the new believers, na maging sobrang banal at perpekto. We raise the expectation with high standard. Dapat hindi na nila ginagawa ito, dapat iwasan na nila ang mga ganito, dapat ito na ang kanilang gagawin, dapat ganito, ganyan. Guys, ang totoong pagbabago ay dumadaan lagi sa proseso. Believe me, hindi mo man napapansin, pero araw-araw kang binabago ng Diyos. Always remember, if you feel there's no changes, it's because God is not done with you yet. You are still on the process. God bless.